Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Lenovo 130 wireless mouse. On the front of the package, we can see an image of the product itself with the Lenovo 130 branding up top, and we can see that this mouse has a DPI of 1000. On the right hand side of the package, we have some information about the warranty, but we recommend that you look at the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty. And on the back are where some more technical and key specifications are. The technical specifications are a switch life of 30 million clicks, a weight of 85 grams, including a 1 AA battery. It has a rating of 1.5 volts. And its dimensions are 110.2 to 59.7 to 38.9 mm. Underneath that, we have a sticker which has some importer and manufacturing details. Here we have the model number and the net quantity, which is basically just the mouse itself. We also have some information about the customer care right at the bottom. That's about it on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. Now that we have everything out of the packaging, let's see what we get. We get some reading material. This one is a service and warranty information. And we also have a quick start guide that should get you started with using the mouse. Getting to the mouse itself, we can see some Lenovo branding on the bottom. It is a simple 3-click mouse, and the scroll wheel has some lines for some nice grip basically. There's a nice matte finish throughout the surface of the mouse, and on the bottom we can see the switch to turn the mouse on or off, and we also have the laser or optical sensor. We also have a hatch which houses the AA battery, and we have a USB Type-A receiver. The USB Type-A receiver has some Lenovo branding on it. Basically, the mouse offers a plug and play function, so let's see that in action right now. To get things started, all we need to do is use the USB receiver and put it into a laptop or a PC, and that should start the setup process. It will automatically look for the drivers and install them. Well, this has been the unboxing of the Lenovo 130 wireless mouse. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.